Oh my god. Are you guys ready for this? What is up, beautiful people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Holidays, whatever it is you celebrate. A bunch of happiness coming your way from me to you. You guys know I literally love making stuff out of stuff. I've made dresses out of toilet paper. I've made them out of candy. I've made them out of trash bags, literally 100 bajillion things. So this year I thought, since 'tis the season, we would do one out of a Christmas tree. What is that going to look like? I actually have no idea, but you know, it should be a fun craft. So instead of me just rambling, here we go. I make a dress out of a Christmas tree. Per the usual, I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but bippity boppity Christmas, here we go.
Hello, sweet king. Are you still sleepy from our walk? Yeah, I love you so much. Mwah.
Okay, so, boom, alrighty, as always, here is our outfit of the day before we get going. So in the spirit of winter, I went from wearing no pants to wearing no pants with thigh-high boots. Quite frankly, I just think pants are the devil, and I just like to be, you know, footloose and fancy-free, specifically in these. Oh my god. I got these fire Fendi boots last year, but look at that. Could you die? Love them. Of course, I got the little matching clutch too. It looks like a different color on this camera, but it actually matches IRL. I don't know. You can see all my Christmas decorations up, so stinking cute. But anyways, paired that with just a giant oversized black sweatshirt. You know, you can get these on Amazon for like $10. And of course, I actually don't know if you guys can read this, but this is my little You Are Art necklace. So beautiful. I'm trying to get a few more in, so if you guys still want one by Christmas, if you place your orders, I think by like Friday, I can maybe get them to you. Anywhoosie, that's the tea on that, linked below, of course. And that's our little Target run get up, because of course, before we get started on any project, as I always used to say, onward, ho. No, onward, ho, ho, ho. I love a pun. Ah yes, December in Los Angeles. Love it. Just play one of my 75 boyfriends in the car. Literally, the album slaps. Okay. Anyways, we're at Target. Alrighty, we're here. Target. So, obviously we gotta get some Christmas tree stuff. I don't really know exactly, like I said, how I'm gonna do this. So we're just gonna figure this out as we go. Let's see what they got. Oh, I love Target. Oh my god, as much fun as all of this is, I don't believe that this is going to help me make a dress out of Christmas trees. Though it would certainly be hilarious to make a dress out of ugly Christmas sweaters, so maybe I'll do that next year. Anywhoosie, okay, to the actual Christmas tree section. Dun 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 dun. Woo! I love Target. Oh, the motherland. Okay, so, I think this is gonna be too small. No. You know what? I actually think this is gonna be perfect. Like some stringy garland stuff. All right, here we go. I think we're gonna decorate with, oh yes, gold ornaments for sure. Grab some of these. Oh, wow, there's just so much fun stuff. Oh my god, should I get candy for myself? Wow, I look crazy. Alrighty, so I think that's all the goods. Yeah. Ooh, more pretty ones. I weirdly also need sponges. That's not part of this project, but while I'm here, we're gonna get some. Multitasking, you know? You literally can't come to Target and just buy one thing. It's impossible. Especially when you're a shopaholic. Woo! By the way, yes, I have a rental car right now. That's kind of for another video, but I'll keep you guys posted on that. Wow, I'm all over the place today. Okay, put the cart back and we'll go make a tree dress. What a weird Monday activity. Hi, Angel. Oh my goodness, you so excited. You love Target too? Okay, so here's what I got. Voila! Okay, so first things first, obviously, I got a bunch of what I'm going to call a Christmas tree. Basically, it's garland Christmas tree material. Oh yes, it's going to be fabulous. I also got a bunch of ornaments. So we got some big ones, some small ones. I got some bows. I got some gold ribbon here. What else? Oh, I got the ornament hooks. And I think for the base of the skirt, we're gonna use this. Do you love it, George? Okay. And basically this looks like this. Oh my God, honestly, this is fashion. Wow, maybe I should just keep this and wear this now. Okay, but yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and like decorate this as the base of the skirt. We'll see how that works. I don't know, but let's find out and get started.
Okay, so now it's time to actually go ahead and make the dress. So first things first, I took my handy glue gun here. That's a little disgusting, but you know, it works. So I took the base of the skirt, and basically what I'm going to do is take the garland and just kind of glue it along the, you know, panely lines here. So that's quite literally what I did. I took the hot glue gun, put a bunch of glue on that, and then just literally took the garland and, you know, pressed it on there until it stuck all nice and lickety-stickety, stuck on good. That's not a real saying, but that's fine. Okay, so then you can see it's like kind of sticking on the bottom there. George literally thinks I am insane. He is correct. Okay, so there we go. Voila, beautiful on the bottom there. This is such a look. Wow, cha-cha-cha. Okay, so then I'm just going to go ahead and literally continue to do that. So you can see the skirt is there, and I just put that all over every hoop line. Then we have the lines in between, so the vertical lines. And I'm just going to go ahead and literally do the same thing. Hot glue gun that on there, so it is covering, you know, the whole thing. I know this isn't like the greatest tutorial I've ever done, but honestly, like, I don't really think anyone's going to copy this, so it's fine. Also, you can go ahead and you can see the little leafy branch thingies are bendable, so you can kind of wrap those around too to just cover it a little bit extra. And then it looks like this. Oh my God, this is hilarious. High fashion, honestly, work. Yes, girls.
This takes a minute, so go ahead when, you know, the sun starts to set, take a nice little break and try to dance with your dog.
Come dance with me, George. No. I'm gonna get you.
He loves me, I swear. And then your dress will start to look like a pile of, well, yeah. So it literally looks like this. I'm going to go ahead and put it on the chair so I can, like, do it a little better. I'm going to go ahead and string this around so it kind of covers in the holes with any extra garland. Just kind of twist that in there. Again, just kind of, like, twisting it around. No glue needed for this part. Just kind of doop-de-doop-de-doop. And, oh my God, you can see this is literally just, like, a giant green skirt. This is the funniest thing ever. I am dying. It's also very, very heavy, so it, like, falls to the ground. Perfect for depantsing yourself. I don't know why you'd want to do that, but there you go. And now it's time to decorate it. So we're going to go ahead and take some of these like battery operated string lights. I got this at the dollar store, and some gold little ornaments. Just kind of decorate that as if it were a tree, you know, kind of plop that on there. La 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 la, one by one until it's all beautimous and decorated. Wow, this is weird. I got a bunch of different sizes. So, you know, kind of string those all over that until it is all nice and gold and decorated and in the season. Got a little gold bow too, so I'm going to go ahead and put that on the center as a little bit of like a belt decor shenanigan kind of. Again, we'll see what this looks like when it's on, I suppose. Of course, pick out some fire shoes. We're going to get my Christmassy Jimmy Choos. That kind of rhymed. Love that. Christmas poem for you. And then, of course, we're going to go ahead. We need a shirt, I guess, technically. Only for the video. You know I wouldn't wear a shirt if I wasn't filming. But we've got this little black corset I got on eBay a while ago. And oh my God, it kind of looks like this on the floor. This is actually hilarious. Yeah, this is the finished dress. Let's try it on. Drum roll, please.
Okay. Are you guys ready for this? Oh my God. Oh, amazing! Now this is freaking fashion. Oh my goodness, you guys. It came out literally so good. Look at that. Like, look at the detail on this. This is so freaking funny. Oh my God. Literally, this is like high fashion, low key, high key. Oh my God, it's so good. This is the funniest thing I've ever done. Gather round, kids. I'm the present. Why is this literally such a serve? I would wear this, well, to be honest, anywhere. Trader Hoes, here we come. Showing up to the company Christmas party like, oh, this whole thing? I just had it laying around. Finally, a skirt just as dramatic as I am. P.S. I know how fire are these shoes. Oh my God, Jimmy Choo work. Yes, sir. Matching the flowers. Oh my God, a look. Runway fashion. Ooh. Do you love it, pumpkin? Oh my goodness. You gonna go hide under there? What are you gonna do? You wagging your tail, you love it? I know, right? We nailed it. I don't think I've ever seen a more festive outfit in my life. It was the night before Christmas and all through the house, not a creature was stirring except Amber's really loud dress. That's how you get the party started. Can I do the WAP dance in this? Oh, no. Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night. And a secret surprise. Watch this. Ta-na-na-na-na. Amazing! Oh my God, now that's the serve of the frickin' century. Literally, this is the best thing I've ever seen. Amazing! Back it up, back it up. You got it. You got it. Look at the lights, that's so cool. This really gives tree skirt a whole new meaning. Santa baby, hurry down the chimney tonight. Amber Scholl Super Festive Edition. Oh Tannenbaum, how lovely is your outfit. God, there's so many Christmas songs I can make fun of here. What else can we do? Jingle bell, jingle bell skirt, rocking around the Christmas tree, but the Christmas tree is me. Doodle-doo. I'm living in this outfit. Overall, I would say we absolutely McFrickin' nailed it. Ooh, very festive hair flip. Now that's a look. You guys, that was me making a dress out of a Christmas tree. Hope you enjoyed it. That was literally hilarious, and honestly, as far as I'm concerned, perhaps one of my best making a dress out of random shit ever. Toot my own horn a little. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, all that other YouTubery stuff. I will see you guys very soon. Wishing you a very magical holiday season. All the love in the world and then some. From me and this crazy Christmas tree dress to you. XO. Now I just gotta figure out how to take this off. Or maybe not. Maybe I'll just wear this till Christmas.